In this video, we're going to be diving into AI, machine learning, and deep learning, and how all of those things interconnect with each other, and to also explain why that matters as well. As per the instructions of this video, I will be referencing two items from the previous module. One of them being the video that IBM put out that goes into AI, generative AI, machine learning, and deep learning, and the surface level meanings of all of those things, and the Atlantic Profile article on Sam Altman, the person that helped kickstart generative AI. And here's the thing that I learned and why I believe it's important. First things first though, here are some quick definitions just to show that we're all on the same page. So as you could see, things like artificial intelligence basically refers to the ability for machines to reason and infer in the way that humans do. Machine learning is where a machine or some sort of algorithm predicts outcomes based on whatever input is fed into it. And deep learning is a subset of machine learning. It uses multiple neural networks and behaves more like a human brain. And finally, generative AI, like foundation models including ChatGPT, Claude, Microsoft Copilot, and more. These algorithms don't simply just make predictions, but can also make brand new content. As the Module 12 video explained, these layers and training approaches are what let models go from predicting things to creating things. In the Atlantic Profile of Sam Altman, I found something that caught my eye, and it was that GPT-4 was described as alien intelligence. And that genuinely stuck with me, because it isn't just a fancy calculator that can make predictions and make silly videos and pictures and whatnot, but it's a whole new cognitive system. The article also made clear that OpenAI intentionally held back some features because they deemed that they were too dangerous for the public. Generative AI can produce highly realistic deepfakes and convincing falsehoods that actually spread pretty quickly. For example, we have seen multiple sophisticated fake videos that have gained so much media traction throughout the years and has affected public discourse. Beyond misinformation, there are practical harms, examples of plagiarism, and legitimate inaccuracies that generative AI has made. There's also the unspoken environmental cost of having servers with generative AI and large language models. And thanks to the AI boom, things like graphics cards and RAM have shot up in price significantly because LLMs are really resource intensive. So where do we go from here? Well, for one thing, we should treat these models as merely powerful tools and not crutches. And we shouldn't take everything that it spits out at face value, because it can be wrong. There have been multiple times where AI has been wrong to the detriment of other people. So we should verify the outputs, and we should push for some sort of legislation that keeps AI not this bubble that can have huge ramifications for our future. Thank you for watching. This has been my 3-minute reflection that's taken, I'm looking at the time, over 11 minutes to record, so it's gonna be fun to edit. Yay!